Today we're going to be doing oil, fuel filter, and checking the deck for level. I'm not going to worry about plugs. I'll probably blow out the air filter, but we've only got about 24 hours or so on the mower since I did it last year, but it's a new year, new fluids. 3 1/4. All right, so our deck is a little bit. Not worried about that. Yeah. Watch your eyes. Ah, found it. And put it with the toolbox. Let's see, will that work? Yeah, that'll work to funnel it right onto the floor. That's as far as it'll go. Alright. Gotta get from there to there. So, Briggs & Stratton oil filter fits on a Kawasaki motor. Who'd have thought it? Too easy. Yep, right at the top of the full mark.